Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Drive as attachment to your emails. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so of course, the first thing that you'll ever need to do is log into your Google account and then go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail web page. And then click compose to compose an email, or you might want to click the email that you want to reply with and attach a Google Drive file. So when you are attaching a file that is from your computer or your desktop or your laptop, you'll need to click this attach files. But when you want to attach a Google Drive file, you'll need to click this Google Drive logo, which is insert files using Drive. So as you can see, all the files that you have in your Google Drive or in your My Drive is shown to the page. You can also access the files that is shared with you through Google Drive, your recent files, and you can also upload files from your device. So for example, in my Google Drive, I want to link my handover notes. I just need to click insert. But if you want to use it as an attachment, you can either use a PDF file or any other things such as photos. Like for example, this one, you can add that as an attachment. But for spreadsheets, Google Documents, you can only add them as a drive link. So let's click insert, just like that. And for the photos, let's try and add a picture of me. Okay, so click attachment and then click insert. As you can see, it will be attached to the email that you want to send to the receiver. As easy as that. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel down below. And you can also check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!